Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to earn free redstone tokens on Binance. So guys, Binance made a new announcement on their Telegram announcement page that they will be doing a launch pool for redstone, and with this you can earn free redstone token on their launch pool. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to their Telegram account to show you guys this announcement for you guys to know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is their Binance announcement page on Telegram. Okay, and they made this announcement: Binance Launchpool, they are launching red token. Okay, redstone. So introducing redstone red on Binance Launchpool, an upward circuit breaker mechanism for Binance pre-market. So you can click on the link to read more. Okay, so this is the update they have for us. Okay, Binance will be the first platform to list the token. Okay, so they are the first platform to list the redstone. Okay, so Binance is excited to announce the 64th project on Binance Launchpool, that is the redstone, a multi-chain oracle across EVM and non-EVM chains. Okay, so let's go to our Binance account so that I'll show you guys how to participate in this Binance Launchpool for you guys to earn free redstone tokens. Okay, so if you are new to Binance, I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to register an account to join Binance. Okay, so this is my Binance account and let me open it. Okay, you can see I have some $25 over here. Okay, and we will use that money to participate in the launch pool. And you can see a banner over here, the red launch pool has already started and people are farming it. When I click on it, you see they have locked, a lot of people have locked $15 billion currently locked. Okay, you can see a lot of people have invested with this launch pool. Okay, so if you are interested with the launch pool, as I said, you can participate using your USDC token or your FDUSD token or your BNB token. Okay, so let us convert our crypto. You can see I was having like $25 in my Binance account. Okay, so I will convert it to either the USDC or the FDUSD or the BNB so that I'll use it to participate in this launch pool. And you can see they will be sharing free 40 million tokens. Okay, 40 million tokens across the globe. Yeah, you can also check the project info over here and you can read more. Okay, they'll be sharing free 32 million tokens of BNB and they'll be sharing free 4 million tokens of FDUSD and also 4 million tokens of USDC. Okay, and you can see a lot of people have invested. You can see a lot of people have locked this total amount of USD, almost like 19 billion or what, yeah, or 19 million. I can't even read this number. Yeah, a lot of people have locked a lot of monies over here. Okay, you can see the participants. Those who invested with the FDUSD, they are just 41,000 participants, and those who invested with the USDC are 60,000 participants, and those who invested with the BNB are 1 million participants. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do it. Okay, how to also participate, and we have some few hours and days to do this. Okay, we have 1 day and 5 hours remaining, so let me be quick to go to my page. Okay, you can see this is my dashboard. I'm using this amount to do the tutorial. Okay, so I'll click on my asset and convert my, you can see I have some USDT over here. I'll convert the USDT to either the USDC or the FDUSD. So I'll click on the trade, then I'll just select the amount I want to convert over here. So from the USDT to USDC. Okay, let me search USDC. Okay, we have USDC over here. Okay, let me click on it and let me confirm. Let me send over the $25. Okay, when I convert the 25 USDT, I'll get 24 USDC. No problem. Let me trade it and confirm my transaction. Okay, so the transaction is confirmed. Okay, so now we have the money in our USDC. Okay, we have the money in the USDC. So let's go back to the home page and let's click on this banner again. Then let's click on the USDC. You can see we use the USDC to participate. Okay, so I'll click on the lock on this, then I'll enter the amount. I can enter any amount, or I can click on the max to use all this USDC to do it. Okay, so I'll click on the lock button and locked my funds. Okay, you can see locked successfully. Okay, so right now I have participated in this Launchpool. Okay, and you can see there's a countdown over here. Yes, meaning I will be earning some of this red token when the countdown is over. Okay, and the token will reflect here. I've been doing some of this Launchpool over the past months. Yes, and this is the new Launchpool that is available for us to do. All this Launchpool has ended. Okay, they are completed, which I participated in it and I made a lot of money. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how to participate in this Binance Launchpool, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.